Multi-tenancy means that many different companies use the same system at the same time, but each company's data and settings stay private and secure. You can think of it like a big office building. Lots of businesses work in the same building and they all use the same elevators, security systems, and maintenance services. But each company has its own office space that no one else can enter. That's how Salesforce works. Everyone shares the same core system, but each company's setup and data are kept separate. Salesforce is built to support lots of customers with different needs all at once. It keeps each company's environment isolated, so even though they are using the same platform, they don't interfere with each other. One of the cool things about Salesforce is that it is metadata driven. It means you can customize your apps or user experience by changing settings and metadata without actually touching the code or database. For example, when you create a new app object or write some code, Salesforce doesn't go and build a new database table or compile the code like traditional systems do. Instead, it stores metadata, basically information about what you want the app to do. Then, when someone uses the app, Salesforce reads that metadata and builds the app on the fly. This makes it super easy to update things. You don't need to mess with the backend, just you need to change the metadata. And Salesforce keeps each company's metadata private. So your customizations are safe in your own organization and it is separate from anyone else's. When you create a new application or write some code using Salesforce platform, the platform does not create an actual table in a database. Instead, the platform simply stores some metadata that it can use at runtime to dynamically create virtual components. The Salesforce platform ensures that every tenant's metadata is private and easy to update. It uses the same metadata to provide custom APIs, RESTful and web services interfaces so that you can use to integrate your applications with other application and you can also execute some automated processes. Now you might be wondering, if everyone sharing the same system, how does Salesforce make sure that your data stays private? Here's how. Every company on Salesforce gets a unique org ID. Whenever you save data or metadata, Salesforce tags it with your own organization ID. When the system reads or writes anything, it checks that particular ID to make sure that you are accessing your own records and not someone else's. This is behind the scene process which guarantees that no one else can see or touch your data even though it's all stored in shared tables. Multi-tenancy on Salesforce means one platform can serve many companies at once efficiently and securely. Because everyone shares the same resources, things run faster, updates are easier, and costs stay low. And when Salesforce rolls out any new feature or improvement, they are available to everyone right away. You don't need to install anything or wait for upgrades, it all happens automatically.